All right, payments infrastructure firm MoonPay raising $555 million at a $3.4 billion valuation. The funding will be used to pursue M&A opportunities, hire more people, and expand geographic coverage and payment methods. Joining us now to discuss is MoonPay co-founder and CEO Ivan Soto-Wright. Hello there, Ivan. Thanks for joining us. So congratulations on the raise, triple unicorn status. You've told us you want to bring on 1 billion people into the crypto economy by 2030. Seems Nexo beat you out to nabbing Fidelity as a partner, though. But what is your strategy for growth?
Yeah, so really, we're just trying to make the payment experience of moving from fiat to crypto as painless and intuitive as possible. We work with some of the biggest partners in the world around Bitcoin.com, Bitcoin.org. We work with platforms like OpenSea. So a lot of our growth has been working with a number of these applications and simplifying that user journey for customers that interact with those applications.
So Ivan, does Alice really need to buy coffee from Bob using Bitcoin? It seems very clunky to do so still, despite all the innovations that have happened. Doesn't it make more sense to do these kind of larger transactions, things that would in dollar terms have a comma or two next to it, to process that faster versus going to, buying a pack of gum or cigarettes using Bitcoin?
So just to clarify in terms of what we do, so we actually make it very easy for you to move from your debit and credit card or your bank account into cryptocurrency or into an NFT. We're not yet, powering payments using crypto to crypto, although that's definitely on our roadmap for the future. We think right now it's about making it easier for people to access the crypto economy full stop and to be able to access this wide variety of decentralized applications, what we're calling Web3.
Do you see Bitcoin being used as payments, or will it continue to be a store of value as it is being used now?
Yeah, the activity that we see, at least today on MoonPay, so we power a lot of the major wallets on mobile, is a lot of people are using MoonPay to buy their first Bitcoin and holding on to their Bitcoin. I would say, less activity around actually spending it, at least today. But that could obviously change in the future. The reality is, in the United States, we do have a currency that works, but in other governments and other parts of the world, some of the financial systems do not work. And so I think there's more impetus to adopt Bitcoin in more emerging economies in a lot of cases than in places like the United States.
Do you see Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies eventually replacing the US dollar as a reserve currency of the world?
I think it's too early to tell. The U.S. has been obviously a global superpower with its dollar hegemon status. I think it's good to have challenges to the dollar. It hopefully makes competition makes everything better. So that's kind of how I look at the U.S. dollar versus Bitcoin.
See, one of your investors, Gemini, they've put some money in with you guys. What kind of a partnership are you planning with them at all, or and with any of your other investors in this recent round, or is it just sort of like, well, they put money with us to see returns, and maybe not synergies, if you will?
So Gemini is not an investor in MoonPay, just to be clear, but we do have a diverse range of investors from Coatue, Tiger, Blossom Capital, Thrive Capital, and others. I think obviously with the expectation of a return, but also for us, we wanted to find partners that really understood our mission, could help us move faster. We've bootstrapped the business to date. We've been profitable, but really now, we've attracted some of the world's best partners, some of the world's best investors. Now it's about attracting the world's best talent. And so really with this raise, the idea is to be able to pull amazing talent all over the world. We've been pretty lucky and fortunate that we've been able to build this business remote, distributed. So I think you'll see a lot from us in terms of growth, in terms of headcount, in many different regions around the world. So we can provide the same great 24/7 coverage and experience to our end customers.